Today, we're making almond milk. Almond milk and other milk alternatives have come a long way since those early days. Now you can find different brands and flavors at your local supermarkets like Pick n Pay, Spar, Woolworths. This is because people are now recognizing that they're not just for the lactose intolerant, but anyone can enjoy the slightly nutty flavor and ultra creamy textures of a nut milk. If you buy from the supermarket, you're going to get loads of sugar, preservatives, stabilizers, and other not so natural ingredients. So today, I'm going to show you how to make your homemade almond milk, and it's so simple. We need 2 cups of almonds soaked for maybe 8 hours, a pot of vanilla, a nut milk bag, 2 glasses of water, and a jug for your milk. We're going to add the almonds first. I've already put the vanilla in the almonds. Our water. All we need to do now is blend it for 35 seconds. Okay, now what we need to do is take the milk bag, place that in there, fold over, get our milk and pour it into the milk bag.